Hi, my name is Sumati Patapati. I'm a certified yoga teacher and also biodynamic craniosacral therapist. This video I'm making to talk about what is BCST, what is not, how is it done, what happens during the therapy, what happens after the therapy, and who can benefit from the therapy. So let's get started. So biodynamic craniosacral therapy, what it is. So it's a very profound, non-invasive, non-manipulative, gentle hands-on therapy, which works on whole body, and it focuses on both physiological and psychological health. So in this therapy helps to release the stress, disturbance, injuries, or deep-seated trauma patterns. And it helps with the natural self-healing power, which is there within the body. So it can help with minor aches and pains or to chronic illness or overall health. It works on not just one single aspect of the body. It works on like all 10 systems. First and foremost, it works on regulating the nervous system, and then that helps to restore rest of the system's health as well. And also there is something called primary respiration, which gets a little disturbed because of the lifestyle issues or any other disturbances. In craniosacral therapy, we get connected to primary respiration in the body, which helps restore the health within the body. So, and what is it not? This therapy is not energy healing. It is a science-based therapy. There won't be any massage, nothing, no medicines. We won't be prescribing any medicines at all, and it is purely just me establishing that space for your body and let your own body heal itself. So that's how, simply it works in simple words. And how is it done? So when we start, we'll discuss about health history, overall mental disturbances, or was there any trauma or health conditions, and also currently how you're feeling, everything. And then when we are done with the discussion, you lie down on the table. We have this therapy massage table. You'll be lying down on the table, fully clothed, and I'll use a very, very gentle touch throughout the session. I'll always be starting at your feet. We'll be touching your feet or ankle. And after 10 minutes, based on how your body is responding, I might move and touch elsewhere. But one thing I can ensure that you would be feeling very safe and comfortable wherever the touch goes. And I'll be listening to you without any judgment, staying fully present. I'll also connect to the health and the expressions of the health of your body, and will be aware of a lot of things. It could be visceral organs, it could be fascia, it could be like your whole of the skeletal system, nervous system response. So a lot of things happening. So the touch is not just the touch, it's a known hands, which is trying to connect to your health and to facilitate that inherent treatment plan, which is happening by your own body, that innate wisdom of your own body. So it's all about like listening to your body and asking it what you want, and let me facilitate you to heal better, restore the health better. So that's how it is. So what happens during the therapy? Like I said, it is going to be very, very gentle touch. So with that gentle touch, you would be feeling safe. With that safety, the brain kind of relaxes, and that's how the healing process would be starting within your body. And I might encourage you to observe how it is happening in the body. Are you I would encourage you to be very present, like I am being present. So any sensations in the body, are there any temperature changes? Are there any tingling sensations? What kind of sensations you feel? Or if you are feeling any pain or something, so how is there any change in the pain? And there would be very deep sense of relaxation and relief happening in the body. And um, it's all part of your body, like so many things letting go, so many things restoring, and helping to find the help. And if you're not feeling any of this, is still okay. It takes a couple of times for some people to recognize the changes. Some people are very aware and know what is happening in the body. They can clearly see a lot of adjustments and movements happening. Some people, it takes a couple of sessions. It's totally fine. And post session, what happens? Like I said, this works on so many other things like mental, physical, and entire 10 systems. So it immediately, there could be difference, or there could be difference after 3, 4 sessions. But immediately after the session, you would feel extremely relaxed. Probably that day, night sleep would be wonderful. And that's a very good sign. So it means that body is trying to, heal or restore. That process has happened. If at all, rare condition sleep also could be disturbed, and that's also fine. Because if your body is really craving for deep rest, and there's a good chance that you would rest deeper. And if you have been resting so much, then you really need a balance. Then that could be disturbed only for a first time, but by second time it restores, and you would feel much changes immediately. And you might feel light in the body, and as I said, some people can get rid of pains right away, soon after the session. Some people, it takes a little time. You would be feeling super alive and vibrant. It could be like really deeply resting and sleepy. Either ways, it happens. um, Sometimes you'll also be walking out with so much of clarity and confidence. Interestingly, that also happens. And who can benefit from this session? People with all kinds of pains, any pain, let it be back pain, neck, shoulder, migraines, stomach pain, all that. Anybody with stress related issues, stress, fatigue, digestion related issues, could be gastritis, acidity, IBS. It could be hormonal issues like PCOD, menopause related issues, or if you don't have any of the health concerns, you still just want to feel good, just want to improve your physical and mental emotional well-being, you're welcome to take the session. So I will be giving craniosacral therapy sessions in Thyrocare here in township, the Yarandahalli. This month we also have 50% discount. I would highly recommend you to take at least 4 sessions to see major difference in the body. I'm here to help you. Please utilize this opportunity to restore your health. There won't be any side effects, and there will be wonderful improvement in overall health, and you would be really feeling thankful for sure. So I'm here. Let me help you to restore your health. See you in the center. Bye.